We've had a great time exploring various open-source CRMs on our channel. Previously, we delved into the best open-source CRMs tailored for small businesses. Now, we're narrowing our focus to review one of the top contenders in the open-source CRM industry, Odoo. In this video, we'll talk about every feature of Odoo CRM and explain why it stands out as the best open-source CRM available. When you dive into Odoo's interface, it doesn't take long to notice how much it breaks from the norms we've come to expect in CRM platforms. Instead of presenting its features through a fixed horizontal or vertical navigation menu, Odoo places small, individually labeled widgets directly on the homepage. Each of these widgets represents a distinct function, whether it's sales, contacts, inventory, or other core areas. And because they're visually separated and clearly titled, navigating through them feels intuitive from the very start. Look toward the upper right corner, and you'll see tabs designated for notifications and ongoing activity. These are strategically positioned to keep alerts visible, so you're always in the loop with what's happening across your workflows. Once you enter any module, Odoo keeps things clean and consistent. There's a strong sense of visual hierarchy, and the design avoids unnecessary distractions. It doesn't rely on bright accents, animated visuals, or cluttered sidebars. It just prioritizes what it should be: functionality. When you're managing contacts in Odoo, it starts with a clean interface showing you the basics: name, email, and phone number. But if you hit the button on the right, the view expands. That's where you'll see more advanced fields like tax ID, who the salesperson is, and any tags you've added for better organization. There's also support for custom fields, so if you need to track something specific to your business, you're covered. Now let's talk about how you see these contacts. There's the typical list view, the Kanban layout for visual task style management, and the map view. The map view stands out because it lets you visualize where your contacts are located geographically. If you configure it right, you can even link up Google Maps for better accuracy and features. Inside each contact's profile, it's not just static info. You can send a message, jot down a quick note, or schedule a follow-up activity, all without needing to jump between modules. Odoo's sales pipeline system is structured to give you full control and visibility into your sales operations. By default, it includes predefined stages like new, qualified, proposition, and won. However, you're not stuck with just those. You're free to add, rename, or reorganize stages to reflect your actual sales process more accurately. Inside the pipeline, each opportunity gets an AI-generated probability score. This isn't just a number. It's based on past data and behavior patterns to give you a calculated prediction of whether a deal will close. It's designed to help sales teams zero in on the most promising leads. In terms of layout, Odoo gives you several ways to look at your pipeline. The Kanban view is great for getting a quick visual overview of all deals. The list view dives into details, showing columns of structured information. The calendar view is perfect for planning calls or meetings. Then there are the pivot and graph views for when you want to analyze trends or performance data. The map view adds a geographical layer, and the activity view helps you stay on track with follow-ups. Plus, you don't need to jump around the system for insights. Reporting tools are built right in, so you can generate and review performance and lead reports all from the same place. Odoo's dashboard serves as a centralized interface designed to give you a full view of your business activities. It consolidates key metrics like sales numbers, CRM engagement stats, and financial summaries, presenting them in a clear and organized layout. What's particularly useful is the level of customization it allows. You can adjust the layout, select the specific data sets you want to track, and even create dashboards tailored for individual departments or roles. For example, your sales team might configure their view to show current sales goals, conversion rates, and lead statuses, while your finance team can focus on profit margins, cash flow, and invoices. This dynamic setup ensures that no matter what area you're managing, the most important data is always front and center. Odoo's biggest advantage is how deeply its apps integrate across the platform. You're not just getting a collection of separate tools, you're getting a system where everything is meant to work together. The interface organizes apps by function, which makes it simple to find what you need. When you install an app, it's automatically placed on your main dashboard right alongside your other tools, so it's ready to go. The real power is in how these apps communicate. For instance, the accounting app lets you create and process invoices right from your CRM, so you don't have to switch back and forth. The inventory app syncs in a similar way. Once connected, it updates stock levels in real time. That means if a sales rep is finalizing a deal, they already know what's in stock. This interlinked system keeps your data accurate and accessible across departments, which ultimately helps your business run smoother. Odoo adds a lot more value than just your typical CRM system. It's built with teamwork in mind. One of the standout tools is the Discuss app. Think of it like your own internal messaging platform. You can make different channels for teams or projects, and it keeps conversations neat and easy to follow. You can chat directly with someone, share files, or jump into a quick video or voice call, all without switching to another app. And then there's OdooBot. It's kind of like having a built-in helper that actually makes a difference. If something's unclear or you run into a snag, OdooBot steps in with suggestions or walks you through what to do next. You're not left guessing. The Calendar app rounds it all out. It's not just a spot to mark appointments. It's fully functional and syncs with Google Calendar to keep everything aligned. You can even add video meeting links right from the calendar itself. It's all integrated, so you don't have to juggle a bunch of tools. Everything just works together. So, Odoo CRM stands out as a comprehensive and adaptable open-source solution for businesses seeking to streamline their customer relationship management processes. Its intuitive interface, robust feature set, and seamless integrations make it a top choice for organizations of all sizes. If you're looking to enhance your CRM capabilities, consider exploring Odoo CRM further. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more CRM insights like this.